Hi there. Thanks for joining me in the Contessa studio. I have an unboxing from your creative studio. I have only slitted open the tape on the edges just because it's easier for me and you guys don't need to see me struggle, or maybe you need the entertainment value, I'm not sure. Amanda always includes a card, and again, poor thing is apologizing for shipments. I think the international shipments are the ones that are being affected. I'm Canadian, as is she, and so my shipment comes on time. I'm pretty sure this is the June unboxing. And she's sending thanks for patience and understanding. And Amanda, seriously, we appreciate all the work that you put into your unboxings, or this is my unboxing, your shipments. So let's see. I was going to take it out, but I think it's easier if I just open it up this way. This is lovely. Can't wait. I absolutely love her subscription boxes. These are fabulous. Okay, so, all right. These are stickers that she creates herself. I've already started using, well, I do use her products, and I have started decorating my traveler's notebook. I have gone from using a bullet journal to a traveler's notebook, and her stickers are perfect for that. It's a good size. Oh, these are really cute. I like these. I like bird cages. I don't necessarily like birds. It's not that I have a fear of birds or anything like that. I like birds. But I have no desire to own a bird and have it in a cage. They're very messy, but I absolutely love bird cages. That's very pretty. And these look like doilies. This is lovely. This is going in my journal too. Love it. And these are stickers, probably. Stickers? I'm stuck on the adhesion of the packaging. Uh-oh. There we go. So lovely stickers. Oh, these are all doily stickers. This is great. Lovely. Looks like there's 2 of each. I could be wrong, but it looks like 2 of each. Well, these are going to be especially in my traveler's notebook. Love it. These are great border stickers. Lovely. And then we have I'm going to try to put that all together so that when I put them away, they'll be stay. And then these are round doilies. Lovely. Oh, and half doilies. Oh, these are great. Oh, hello. Oh, this is cute. You can really see the detail of the doily on that. Lovely. Oh, and I knew there was some missing. Okay, so it looked like there was 2 of each. This is fabulous. Very pretty. Okay, so we'll set that aside. What? Is this glue? Phonetically spelled. Love it, just in case you don't know how to say glue. Otherwise it'd be glue. Glue. The English language is so difficult. Alright, let's see. Is this? Okay, I don't need the packaging for this. Why am I getting all bent out of shape about the packaging? Whoa, I almost lost that. So, is this square glue? Which, pull? No. Twist off? What? I'm afraid. I don't know. Oh, well, duh. Okay, special needs person, honest to God. Okay, that is really cool. Okay, once I figured it out, it's cool. Oh, that, okay. This is, I have no doubt, is meant to hit, I don't have anything square. Hit the square spots. What? Okay, focus. Hit the square spots. I get it. That's really cool. They think of everything. Very creative. And I'm guessing that this must dry clear, but you see where you've applied the glue. That's very cool. All right. And let's see. Oh, a little birdcage bookmark. That's really sweet. How do I open this? Here we go. Wait. Here we go. Oh, that's so cute. I hope there's not much of a glare for you. That's so sweet. I love it. Oh, very pretty. It would be annoying, but wouldn't it be cool if that thing chirped too? What? Ooh, are these stickers or ephemera? Either way, pretty awesome. That's a really nice way to bind items together. I might consider that. These, not stickers. Lovely though. These are great, I think. Oh, look at the different ones. Holy cow. Okay, I thought they were all the same. Lovely. These, I think, the way I'm going to use them is for greeting cards. You can put your little greeting in here. Thank you, Merry Christmas, whatever it is that you're going to put in here, happy birthday, and then glue that onto your card and you have your border. You don't have to worry anything about it. This is fabulous. These are nice. And then you can pre-stamp everything and have them all ready to go, ready to put your cards together. I was going to have to do that for a bunch of greeting cards that I was going to make. Have to put together my greetings and stamp out pieces of paper and cut them out, but now I don't have to. This is fabulous. I swear, it's like Amanda's reading my mind, and every time she sends me a new subscription box, I think, oh, this is perfect. This is exactly what I was thinking I needed. Oh, these are pretty. I like the black and red one. Lovely. Okay, these are great. I might have to do a video of stamping. Boring as all heck for you guys, but a little bit of music and you can watch me stamp. Mostly because I cannot stamp and talk at the same time. I can't do a video and film at the same time. Or sorry, film a video and talk at the same time. See, I can't even do that here. I can barely walk and chew gum at the same time. Sorry, crinkly. Merci. Dirty. Oh, look at these. Shut up. Oh, lovely stamps. Oh, and the birdcage stamp. I love it. You know what? Oddly, I would think of putting that on a thank you card as well. And merci, if, as you may or may not know, means thank you in French. Thank you. Oh, lovely. Merci, Amanda. And the doily. Oh, merci. This is perfect. I don't have a thank you in French stamp. I love it. And I love the tin box. That's great. Oh, look at the ruler. Oh, fabulous. That's probably a wicked amount of glare for you. I'm so sorry. That's lovely. I love it. Fabulous. I don't know if you guys can hear, but upstairs, I'm down in the basement. That's where my studio is. I can hear banging upstairs. My husband's not home. I think, and this is why I'm not getting all wound up, I'm supposed to get a new phone today. So hopefully that's being delivered. That'd be exciting. What is this? Is this paper? Oh, stickers. Stickers? I think so. Vellum sticker. Look at that. That's so pretty. There's probably too much shine for you. I'm so sorry, but they have little white bows and for you and little flowers. Pretty. Ooh, what's this? Like a little ephemera pack. Oh, again, more things to stamp on and add them to my greeting cards. Look at these. Oh. Okay, hold on. This is a lovely. Okay, so there's a group of, oh, look at these. All right. Looks like 3 of each. Look. Oh, so pretty. This would be great for Christmas time. Oh, so nice. Look, so pretty. I love these. These would be great for a to-do list even. Oh, and the paper is very nice quality. It's very thick. Lovely. And oh, I love these. I love these notepads. As I mentioned before, I use these for my grocery lists. These are so cute. Oh, and look, it's the same on both squares, right? Yes. Lovely, even better. Usually it's the design is at the top and the bottom part is plain, but here it's the same on both. Lovely. Love it. And again, like this paper is such good quality. So pretty. 30 sheets, that's awesome. So 30, if it's 30 pages, that looks like about 30 pages times 2, so it's really 60 squares. That's crazy. Okay, and what is this? Is this a stamp? Oh, it is. Lovely. That's really pretty. Like that. And what is here? I thought this was paper. Doilies, look at this. Oh, crafters, like we go through doilies like there's nobody's business. Look at that. What a lovely stash of doilies. I found a really neat video on making a wedding dress out of doilies. Obviously not to wear, to put on cards. So this is perfect. I was going to buy some doilies, but don't need to anymore. Da, da, da. Lovely. Actually, I'm going to leave that out so that I can take my snapshot. And here. It almost looked like it was under the paper because, because this is vellum. Oh my God, that's gorgeous. Oh, what is that? Oh, lovely. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so lovely paper. Look at this one. This vellum. You can see the lady and the form for like the bust made for seamstresses. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at that. Again, one-sided, perfect. I love these. Oh, once again, Amanda, beautiful subscription box. Okay, let's put this here. Look, I like this paper too. This is really nice. I'm going to keep that. I don't need the books. And put together my little vignette for my Instagram account. I might keep this bag because that's handy, but for now, I like that her bookmarks are also rulers. And I have discovered that the light that is above me reflects very badly on this particular spot, so I will put this paper over here. Are these backwards? No. I didn't mean backwards, I meant upside down. Okay, I think, let me take a look and see what that looks like. That looks good. Okay, that's going to be my Instagram picture. All right. Thank you all for stopping by the Contessa studio. I hope that you're all doing well. I am staying healthy and staying out of everybody's way. And Chris is back at his normal schedule and going to work on his regular schedule as opposed to his 4 days on, 4 days off. I think he's really happy with that, and most of the staff are very happy to be back to normal as well. So I wish you all well. I ask the crafting gods to smile upon you and inspire you and send you wonderful ideas. Be well, everyone, and I will see you again soon. Bye.